Iron to perfection with this powerful Bosch steam station, which keeps your laundry hygienically clean and crease-free. ProHygienic technology kills off microbes and germs that still remain in your laundry when washed at lower temperatures. Ensure that your clothes are hygienically clean while performing more eco-friendly, cooler washes. The Ultimate 400 steam power provides 3 intensive steam shots of up to 400 grams. These powerful bursts of steam penetrate deep into the fabrics to remove the most stubborn of creases. The Calc'n-Clean Perfect program prevents the buildup of calcium and limescale even if you have a very soft water supply. This cleaning program extends the life of your steaming station, so you can use it for years and years to come. Add this Bosch steam station to your home for effortless ironing that always delivers great wrinkle-free results.